Inachadú. Well, begastal am buíochas fan chirí a bhuilach na húile a thu leohéig an bar I mí a dúis, seo. I would first like to thank everybody who thought to themselves that I was worthy of receiving such an honour. And I'd like to thank particularly Gordon and Morag Laurie, who helped me through lots of crazy stuff over the years and are still supporting me. Having them hísa farabí me gerster ganatasin. To James McIntosh of Shugal Nifty, Simon Emerson, ha Balwich Gaive, my dive crew, my egg crew, my Ballachulish crew, my Iron crew, my Donegal crew, my Belfast crew, my US crew, my Skye crew. I protect and survive to keep my culture alive, and I strive to be connected with no need to contrive. It's the homegrown microphone master of the universe, love shown on my own, seed sown in every verse. Authority's mine, don't waste your time with cheap talk. You can walk the walk, but you'll never learn to stop letting fear and hate in unless you're channeling truth. It's in my bones, I'm not alone, I don't need scientific proof, and my intention comes from a dimension that's free, from Dionysus and the crisis of pretension I see. Prophetic, while they're pushing the pathetic. Mountain man taking a stand in the land of his poetic oppressed Gaelic forebears, ignored there, word to the bone, they were starving on the shore there. Descending of kings forced into slavery of toil, found out the truth for myself and my blood boil. One love, more and more in time, guys.
That's a first at the trads. Gleb on the hog, Greek and Lowry on the hill. Well, big and cool in this.